Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export the Claude AI Conversations in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on Claude AI. Then when you log in into your account, you will be shown this type of a message section or this prompt section over here. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply ask anything to Claude AI, basically the text which you want to basically copy. So let's say I asked it about AI, and whatever a response it has given to me, let's say I want to export it. So the fastest way for you to export a Claude conversation is to simply manually copying this particular chat. So simply click on the copy button over here and then open it here in a new tab. So you just have to simply search for docs.google.com. Now when you are here on docs.google.com, you just have to paste that particular text which you have just copied over here. So when you paste this particular text, what you need to do is you need to give this particular text or this particular document a name. Afterwards, click on the option of file on the top, then hover over to download. And here you will be seeing a bunch of different types of formats you can download this particular document into. Like we have Microsoft Word, PDF, then we have a bunch of other formats available like HTML and so on. So let's say I want to download this particular document in the form of PDF. So after clicking on the option of PDF, as you can see, the PDF not only downloaded, but also it has opened right away in front of me. So that's how you can export the Claude AI conversations in 2026. Very, very easy. Thank you.